to schedule a meeting, but you have to spend hours emailing back and forth trying to find a time that works for everyone. What's up guys, it's me Priyasha from PitchGround. Email is great for some things, but when it comes to scheduling a meeting, it can be a total pain. It's slow, inefficient and often leads to hectic manual work. So here we present Cogency. But before we jump into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button because PitchGround got some amazing deals going live that you surely don't want to miss out. Now let's get back to the show. Cogency is a custom meeting scheduler with a collaboration video conference tool. With its task management features, you can ensure that everyone is on track. Quickly going through Cogency, you can create a booking page for every occasion. Also generate QR codes for each booking page and let your customers scan and schedule. Get to enable two-way calendar integrations with Google and Outlook or Office 365 to make sure you are always aware of all your appointments. Use real-time collaborative whiteboards to take notes or even create sketches, diagrams and charts while brainstorming with your clients or team. Plus, you can use Kanban-style task management to keep track of all your tasks and to-dos with column action triggers, color coding, tagging, notification and more. Also create custom questionnaires and surveys and ask your users to submit responses. This way you can understand their needs better. That can help you to create an efficient meeting agenda. So with Cogency, you can get your work done quickly and easily, helping you save time and increase productivity. And you know the best part? You will pay just once and use Cogency for a lifetime. Grab your deal on pitchground.com today. That's it for today guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.